Howdy folks, Stephen here with Haste, Draft Horses and Mules. And what's your name?
Henry.
Y'all may know, you may have seen him before, but guys, no, all jokes aside, we've had a wonderful week and we thank y'all. We got some wonderful customers out there, friends. We got a community here that's bar none, a special thing. If you want to be a part of this community, you can be too. Click that subscribe button, that like button, leave us a comment, let us know where you're from. If you're in the market for a good team, that's what we do. We sell draft horses and mules. We got a whole barn here. Mules, horses, we always have quality teams here. We want your business, we're ready to earn your business. If you need us, you call us. Come buy from us. People you can trust, we're here for you.
If you want to stand behind them, they ain't like you. We can't give your money back maybe in 3 or 4 or 5 months, but we can trade you another team. We'll help you out. You won't be hanging on the branch. Guys, we're here to help you. We got a lot of nice teams. We sold a lot of horses, but we still got a lot of teams. We had more horses here than I think we about ever had as far as quality teams. Guys, we got a bunch of horses.
We got some of the best teams here right now we ever had. We've had a good week. People's drove these horses here. You've went out 2 and 3 times a day every day, mile on, mile in. And these horses and mules out here is what they've used.
There's going to be videos online of that.
Lots. We got some of the best stuff, guys. Thank y'all. God bless you. If you need us, you can always call. That's how we do business. Call 606-303-5669. We're here to help you. God bless you. Thank you, and we'll see you again.
Bye.